Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing awesome. I don't know where you are in the world right now or what time of the year it is, but for me it is hot. It is the middle of summer and I am a little bit sweaty. We're not gonna lie about it. I'm a bit glistening. It's hot in my house. I don't have air conditioning. So the way I get through the summer is with cold, frozen treats and drinks. And that is exactly what I'm gonna be showing you how to make today. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna be showing you 3 different flavors of an ice cream. And first up is blueberry. So for this recipe, we're gonna be using 3 frozen bananas, a cup of frozen blueberries, and I'm gonna be sweetening it with a little bit of maple syrup and just to help it blend a little bit better, we're gonna use some non-dairy milk. You can use whatever is your fave. I'll be using soy milk. And of course, you will need a high-speed blender, something that is powerful, like a Vitamix. If you do have a food processor that is a total beast and you've made frozen stuff in it before and it actually blends well, definitely use that if your blender is not as good. Okay, so if you have whole frozen bananas like I do, all you're gonna wanna do is just roughly chop them into chunks that your blender or food processor will be able to break up. If you put them a little too big in the blender, might struggle a bit. So just put them into chunks, kind of like this, and pop them right into the base of your blender. Next, take your frozen blueberries. You could also do this with any flavor you want. I just happen to have frozen blueberries on hand, so that's what I'm using. Add about a tablespoon of maple syrup. And to help it blend, I'm just gonna add like a splash of soy milk. I'd say use up to a 1/4 cup at first and go from there. You definitely don't want to have too much liquid when you are making an ice cream because you could end up with a very runny ice cream and it wouldn't really be the texture you want to achieve. So just a little bit at first. Now, this is just an optional little add-in that I'm going to put in. I have this delicious little superfood blend by Bloom. This is a beetroot blend. It's actually like a latte mix blend, but I love it. It's so delicious. Adds kind of a spiced cinnamony flavor. Plus it makes anything you cook or bake with it this beautiful pink color. So I kind of just wanted to add a little extra pretty hue. So I am putting a teaspoon. But if you have your own favorite superfood blends, or you could even do protein powder or whatever, just pop it right in with the rest of your ingredients. Now, if you have a tamper for your blender, I highly recommend you use it because you are absolutely going to need to continually push the ingredients down towards the blade or it just won't blend very well, or you're gonna have to start and stop again, scrape the sides, etc. It's gonna take a lot longer. Next, you're going to want to put your blender down to the lowest setting first and just start by pulsing it. Get the tamper in there so you can pretty much start right away pushing all the ingredients down. And then just kind of push down what you can for the first few pulses. Now, what you might have to do is if you find that you've kind of reached a plateau of blending and it's not really doing anything, remove the lid, take your tamper, and then press down all the way just to release any air bubbles that may have formed. Air bubbles are not your friend when blending cold things because then the blades just kind of start spinning their wheels and don't really do much. Okay, at this point, you probably don't even need your lid anymore. Well, I could be wrong, let's hope not. And you're gonna just keep it on a low speed and tamper it down until you start to see it blend and you get that really satisfying little swirl, you see? And that is done. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I cannot wait to show you guys. Seriously, just look at that texture. You want that smooth, soft serve-like texture, and I think that's what we got here. Very yummy. I have to try this. That is so good. Yum. I think some really yummy toppings you could use for this flavor would be shredded coconut, some cinnamon. Yeah, it's just the right amount of that blueberry flavor. That little superfood mix I used gives it this nice kind of subtle spice, which I personally love. This is so good. All right, moving on to flavor number 2. We are making a piña colada flavored banana ice cream. This one is so good. If you, man, I'm about to sing it. If you like piña coladas, then you are going to love this ice cream. Again, you know the drill. We're gonna be chopping up our bananas, putting them into the blender. I also have a pretty massive heaping cup of frozen pineapple. I'd say this is probably about 1.5 cups. In goes your pineapple. I also happen to have some coconut cream on hand. You can use canned coconut milk as well if you don't have the cream handy, but if you do, it just adds so much creamy texture. So I'm probably gonna do about 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. This is like the thick cream that floats to the top of the can. If you refrigerate it, you'll definitely be able to scoop it out easier. If you have it at room temperature, it's pretty much all just like liquidy, and you don't want that. So make sure you refrigerate it before you use it. We're just going to do what we did last time. Start by pulsing it a few times, pressing down with your tamper, just a little splash. Amazing. Okay, once you have reached your desired consistency, just put it in a bowl and enjoy. Pretty excited to try this flavor because, well, I already know it's gonna be delicious because pineapple and banana and coconut, so good. Oh my. A tropical vacation in my mouth. It's so good. It totally tastes like a piña colada. Obviously with a little hint of banana, but ain't nothing wrong with that. Pineapple and banana. The texture of banana and ice cream is so smooth and creamy and velvety. This is so satisfying on a very hot day. Kind of like today. If you're more of a fruity desserts lover and you're into the tropical flavors, you will definitely want to make this dessert. You will love it. All right, guys, rounding up our last flavor of banana and ice cream, we are making chocolate peanut butter. It is so good. If you love that combination, you know, that classic Reese's peanut butter cup combo of chocolate peanut butter, you will love this one. The peanut butter adds the nicest texture. It's so good. Okay, so as per usual, we're going to, you know, get those frozen bananas chopped up, and I'm sure you know the drill by now. I actually already have a few cut up that are in my freezer, ones that I've already chopped up a few days ago. By the way, I have a video that I just posted recently on how to freeze bananas 3 ways. So if you are short on time, if you have any amount of time, I have 3 easy methods of freezing bananas for you. You can check out that video right up here. And then you're gonna need some cocoa powder, and you will add roughly 2 tablespoons. You can add a little more. I might add a little more if you like it really chocolatey. About 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. The peanut butter is what's gonna add the dreamiest texture. Trust me, you will love it. Blend, blend, blend. That should do it. Oh man, look at that. Ooh, that is so creamy. That smells like literal heaven. So we're just gonna drizzle a little of this peanut butter on it. Runny peanut butter is the best if you can get it, or just simply microwave it and drizzle it on top so it gets that nice runny spreadable texture. Trust me, once it comes into contact with the frozen ice cream, it kind of hardens up a little bit and gets all chewy. Oh, it is so good. And then we're just gonna add some chocolate chips for some extra sweetness. If you're a chocolate lover, if you're a peanut butter lover, if you're a chocolate and peanut butter lover, this recipe is for you. All right, guys, well, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you have never tried making your own nice cream, you definitely have to try it out for yourself. As you saw, it is so easy to make, and you really only need a few ingredients to make something delicious, cold and chilly that'll help you cool down on a hot day. I, for one, am pretty excited to faceplant into all of my ice cream that I've just made because it's hot. It's very hot. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every single week. We've got recipes that are easy, delicious, affordable. I do vegan, plant-based product reviews, FAQ style videos, all that kind of stuff. Also tips, tricks, and hacks for reducing food waste, saving yourself some money. I'm all about it, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely subscribe below. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll be sure to see you in another video. Bye!